DIY outdoor lighting projects are a bad idea. Here's why. One, usually put the lighting wire too shallow. It's above the mulch. Wire connectors are not waterproof. It allows corrosion to get in the wires and affect the lighting. Poor quality of the bulbs and the quality of the lights is not very well. The difference between a Lux landscape lighting system and a DIY lighting project, Lux, we install all of our wire 6 inches below grade, use waterproof connectors. The lighting fixtures that we use are quality. They have a 10-year warranty and they just hold up in the weather much better instead of the DIY ones that only last probably roughly around a year or so and fall apart and then you're replacing them. When you hire Lux Landscape Lighting, you're just not getting a lighting system, you're getting experience. We have over 35 years doing nothing but outdoor lighting, and we understand everything that we need to know when it comes to outdoor landscape lighting.